So Royalty told me XG does fan signs, which pretty much you meet them in person and they do guess like a private concert or performance. So we got my first time reaction to XG. Take my breath, rock the boat, Osaka Fansign. I think that's pretty dope. Want the premium treatment and meet XG. I think that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope, honestly. I'm just gonna assume and say if I had the funds, I would probably do the same thing. But I invite you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notify when I drop these XG reactions. Again, XG, take my breath, rock the boat, Osaka Fansign alphas. Let's get it. King Coco! I think this is pretty dope. Hold on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Take my breath away. Oh, no, no, no. Blah, blah, blah. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, no, no, no. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go. Now rock the boat. I'm ready for this. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Get it. Hey. Hey. Come on. Hey. Woo. Hey, 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 woo, hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Hey, seeing that fan sign was lit. 'Cause I didn't know they did stuff like that. So that's actually pretty cool to know that they're actually doing stuff like that. So to me, that automatically it's a top tier. I think that's really dope of them. For real. Especially sitting there and being more interactive with the fans and getting to see certain fans' faces, and then some fans probably become regulars. I think that's pretty dope.